And healthcare workers have been on the front lines of this pandemic, working tirelessly while they're putting their own health at risk. Now, on top of that, they say they've been dealing with an unfair amount of threats. But in Maryland's General Assembly, lawmakers are now introducing a new bill that could make it a crime. So WDVM Cheyenne Corin is joining us live with the details. Cheyenne, I think we're all pretty curious to hear about the possible consequences for making a threat towards a health official. What'd you learn tonight about this new bill?
That's right, Thusmean. Ever since the pandemic, threats against health officials have really increased because some people, they just don't agree with the COVID-19 guidelines. So hoping to get some type of protection, health officials, they're testifying, saying just how quickly they went from being healthcare heroes to now being threatened to the point they're leaving their careers at the point we need them most.
We had a real issue with threats on healthcare workers even before the pandemic, and the pandemic certainly exacerbated it.
This new Maryland bill would ban and criminalize threats against public health officials and healthcare workers. Last year, Dr. Travis Gales left his position as Montgomery County Chief Health Officer. During the briefing, he testified that he received threatening and racist messages during his time with the county.
You are the prime example why some white folks call black folks the N-bomb. If ever there was a picture that should be attached to the definition for added clarity, your selfie is it. You blank blank.
Washington County Chief Health Officer Earl Stoner also testified and shared that his family has even received threats over his public health decisions.
Personally, I've received written and verbal threats. I've been harassed and intimidated in public. I had a child harassed at school. And in response to these threats, I've had to have a security system put in place at my home. I've had to have law enforcement and security patrols.
House Bill 267 would impose penalties that are up to $500 and up to 90 days in prison. Montgomery County Council Vice President Evan Glass shares concerns that the health officer position remains unfilled because of these threats.
We need people to treat some of our public servants with a level of respect and understanding. Otherwise, these positions are going to be going unfilled.
Currently, there are 35 states, including the district, that already have laws to protect our health officials. So we'll see if Maryland's up next. I'm reporting from the control room. I'm Cheyenne Corin for WDVM 25.
Cheyenne, thank you so much for that report. So listen to this. Not all lawmakers are on board with this bill. Delegate Robin Grammer actually defended people who get frustrated at health officials, saying that it comes from the impacts of a lockdown, and the delegate also questioned if the crime actually warrants jail time.